Hello everyone, today I am going to talk about the recent news about Jeffrey Epstein. The United States Department of Justice released a lot of documents about Epstein and his crimes. The documents are very important. They give more information about Epstein's abuse and how the FBI investigated him. The DOJ released these documents under a law that makes Epstein's files more public. This law is called the Epstein Files Transparency Act. Millions of pages were released. The files include interview statements from victim and other investigation record. One of the most serious parts of the documents is about a woman who said she was abused by Epstein when she was only 13 years old. She told the FBI that Epstein and his associates recruited her as a minor. She said he abused her many times. This is very serious. The FBI interviewed this woman 4 times in 2029. They wrote down everything she said in official interview reports. These reports are called 302S. Only the first interview summary was released to the public. In this first summary, she talks about the abuse by Epstein. It does not include claims about any other people. Later interview with the woman were not released. Some news sources say that in these later interviews, the woman mentioned another very powerful person. But these claims are not confirmed by the DOJ or the FBI. This means these claims are unverified, they are not proven in court. It is very important to know that the public documents confirmed Epstein's crimes. They show how he abused women and girls, but any claims about other people are only allegations. Allegations are not proven facts. The DOJ and the White House have said that these claims are unverified. Some lawmakers and peoples are upset because the later FBI reports were not released. They believe that the public should see all of the documents. Other people say that some documents must be private. Some files many have personal or sensitive information. The DOJ says they did not hide files for political reasons. We should understand that an allegation does not mean it is true. The FBI records tips, claims, and reports even if they are not fully proven. Some files, many include removers or unverified statements. This is normal in big investigations like this. The important facts are Epstein abused many women, some were minors. The FBI interviewed victims and wrote official reports. Some reports were released, others were not. Claims about other people are unverified. The DOJ files also show how hard it is to handle such a big cases. Millions of pages must be reviewed carefully. Some files must be remain private to protect victims. Other files may be private because of ongoing investigations. The files give us a clear view of Epstein's abuse. They also show the challenges law enforcement face in big cases. Millions of pages make it difficult to release everything. Still, the public can now see the main investigations file. In the documents, the woman said she was recruited as a minor and abused repeatedly. She also spoke about the fear and trauma she experienced. These statements were carefully documented by the FBI. This show that the FBI took the claim seriously. Even though some files were not released, the documents confirmed that Epstein committed seriously crimes. He abused many girls and women. His crimes were organized and repeated over many years. He was convicted and sent to prison, but many serious continue to share their stories. Some of the missing FBI reports have caused controversy, lawmakers, especially Democrats. He said that these reports should be public. They believe the American people have a right to see all documents. They also worry that the missing files might include important information. The DOJ says the missing reports were withheld for legal reasons. Some many have been duplicates. Others many have committed sensitive material. The DOJ emphasizes that no files were withheld to protect a political figure. It is important to be careful about what we believe. Only the facts confirmed by the FBI and DOJ should be treated as true. Unverified allegations should not be reported as facts. This is why media and the public must check official sources. The Epstein files also show the long history of his crimes. He abused girls in the 1980s, 1990s, and 2000s. His network include associates who helped him recruit and abuse victims. Many of these people were also investigated. The documents also remain us of the pain and trauma victims experience. Many women reported feeling scared and powerless. The DOJ documents show that law enforcement interviewed victim carefully. They tried to document the abuse in detail. The release of these documents is a step for transparency. Millions of pages were now available for public review. People can read the files online. The public can now understand how the FBI investigated Epstein and what they are found. It is also a reminder that allegations against other individuals are not proven. Claims that appear in some reports are unverified and many not be accurate. The DOJ and FBI caution the public about believing everything in the documents. Lawmakers continue to debate the release of all files. Some want all reports to be public. Others argue that some files must remain private to protect victims. The DOJ says they are following the law and protecting sensitive information. In conclusion, the DOJ files show Epstein abused many women and girls. The FBI carefully documented victim statements. Millions of pages of documents are now public. Some reports are still withholding for legal reasons. Allegations about their individuals remain unverified. These files are important for history. They show how Epstein committed crimes and how law enforcement investigated him. They also show the difficulties of handling large sensitive cases. Finally, the public should stay informed. Always check reliable sources. Millions of pages of documents are now available online. People can read them to understand Epstein's crimes and the investigations, but we must be careful about unverified claims. Thank you for watching. Remember, the Epstein file are serious. They confirm abuse by Epstein. They also remind us to be careful with allegations that are not proven. Always rely on facts from official documents.